Hey guys, what's up? This is Sarah Sketcher here. Today we're going to be sketching a Mandalorian Beskar Ingot. So let's get started. Now, like always, I'm going to take my 2H pencil and I am going to sketch out a rectangle. So this is going to be at a little angle. So I'm going to start here and connect it, down to right around here. Now it's okay if yours does not exactly connect to the place where you marked it out, because it's okay, and pretty much as long as you get it down to around the same level as your mark, then you should be good. I'm just going to take my eraser here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have another line that goes across like this. And we're going to have a line that goes down. And we're going to have this as the same angle, so I'm measuring it out by doing this and having both my fingers move at the same speed. So right around here is where I want it to end. So now I did make it a little farther in than I should have. So I'm just going to go back in like this. Now you might have not done it and you're like, oh wow, this is so perfect. Do I really have to erase it? No, this is just me because sometimes we all make mistakes. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that goes across. I'm going to go along here though and erase some of that top line. And I'm going to go back here so that it's a little better. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line right down here. And I'm going to do the same thing up here. And here. Now I'm going to connect this to this. And I'm going to connect this to this. And now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to sketch out with my 2H pencil. I'm going to sketch out a line here and a line across. And then I'm going to make some hash lines right here, here, and I'm going to draw a hash line here. And the next thing I'm going to do is, you've seen me do this in a couple of videos now, and I'm going to connect this here, and here, and here, and here. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my 2H pencil aside, and I'm going to take my eraser and I'm going to erase those lines we made inside the circle. And I'm going to go back in here and sketch out some of those edges. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch a small circle in the middle. So I'm just going right around that size, I'd say. And then I'm going a line up here, down here, here, and here. And the same here, and here. So the next thing I'm going to do is inside that circle, inside this circle, I'm going to draw another circle. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I am going to take, and I'm going to draw a line here, 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 and here. Now I'm not going to connect it all the way on each side because I'm going to step. This is going to be pretty hard, but I'm going to step up and then up again and to both sides a little in, but you don't want them all the way touching. Now I might not be able to see this, but then I'm going to draw a straight line up and connect it to this line. Now the other thing that I'm going to do is I made this a little thick around the edges because of my next step. I'm going to draw a skinny circle around the middle circle. I'm going to draw a second skinny circle. And I am going to do that same step on all the other ones. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to make this come out to the side, then back in. And I'm going to do this on all the others, so it comes out, side, in, out, side, in, out, side, in, and the same here, outside, in, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to color all of them black. And now I'm going to color that circle in the middle black. And the next step that I'm going to do is I am going to sketch this little area, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. I'm going to sketch everywhere where I've X'd in black. Okay, now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to color this in black. So I'm going to color, I did the circle in the middle, then I did the circle around the circle in the middle, then I did the outside circle. Well, I want to color in the layer between the outside circle and the circle in the middle. So the next thing that I'm going to do is, this looks pretty cool, and this is the imperial symbol. So that's the symbol for the empire. And if you look in different books, or if you look closely in Star Wars, you'll be able to see it. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the side of my H2 pencil and I'm going to sketch here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set aside my 2H pencil and I am going to grab my H pencil and I am going to sketch in this part lightly. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to set aside my H pencil, and I am going to, 2H pencil, and I'm going to blend the side here, and here, H pencil, I get these all confused, and here, and I'm just smoothing it out so that the texture is a lot smoother, and I'll do the same thing here. And the next thing that I'm going to do is, first of all, you can see that this is lighter than this. That's because I used two separate pencils. And the next thing I'm going to do, now this is very, very, very hard, and some people would rather skip this step. I think it's a very important step. What I'm going to do is I am going to sketch out with my H pencil a whole bunch of little tiny squiggly lines. So something like this. And I'm just going to go and I'll kind of touch up the edge here and then go back here. Then I'm going to draw another one right up next to it. And I'm just going to do a whole bunch of them. So this part I'm going to fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you need more time, which unless you have a really fast hand, you will. And by the way, these are not all going to match up perfectly. These are all going to be kind of different squiggles, and that's how they're made. So we're doing a whole bunch of weird, crazy squiggles. Okay, so that did take me a long time, and now I'm just going to draw a whole bunch of weird squiggly lines on the sides. So this side, and then a couple more neat lines over here. Some more of like these kinds of diagonal lines over here. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that the Beskar is a little rough around the edges, because I got some of the lines off. So I'm just going to erase neatly along the edges. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just neatly aligning this, and I'm going to take my blender and just kind of go through here, kind of make some of this a little lighter color. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm doing the same on this side and the same here. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I am just going to, and by the way, this is the last step, I'm just going to go along with my 2H pencil and clear up some of these corners. And there we have it. And now we have our finished Beskar, piece of Beskar. So every Monday I will be sketching things from the Mandalorian like this, and I will also be sketching things on Saturday from things from Star Wars. And also later next week I will be doing some step-by-step ones with a guest, and we'll find out who he is in the video that he is in. So stay tuned.